before that, were you like, oh my gosh, I just have the entrepreneurial bug? Or were you like, I just want to learn something new? And then through Liles Law, you started to get the kind of itch? Or I guess tell me about how that sort of evolution occurred.
Yeah, honestly, none of that. I was happy and quite busy, just in my day job. And then it was a matter of opportunity and timing. So I had a friend of mine who had her own firm and needed some assistance with software licensing, which is kind of a niche in law. So there are business attorneys who don't know how to do just that. But I did dozens, hundreds of those at SAS. And so she reached out and wanted to know if I could, do that for one of her clients that needed help with some software. And I really said, I don't know. I have to check and see whether I'm allowed to do anything on the side, So I reached out, got permission to do legal services on the side with all the regular conditions and caveats. And then once I did that, that's kind of was the spark that let me know that I have curated over the years a type of knowledge that is very useful and can be useful in other contexts other than just a 9-to-5 day job, and was then thirsty for more. And so kind of hung my shingle, as lawyers say, at that point, and said, now I'm available and I can help whomever. And at first I didn't know exactly who I wanted to help. I knew that I could do business and corporate law, but I hadn't really niched down on my client and all that regular stuff that you do when you start a business, is figuring out your target client. I didn't do any of that because I wasn't really planning on starting a business. It was just a matter of timing. And so I started it and then went back and tried to focus on who is it that I really want to help and who can I best serve, and all those questions.